Once you've positioned the packers in the right location, secure them in place with silicone. Once the unit is in square and the sash is parallel in the outer frame, refit the beads in the sash. Place the short ones in first, ensuring to place them in the correct location, and then the long ones. Take care not to scratch the beads when you are refitting them. Now move on to leaf 2, repeating the process, but this time do the opposite as a standard toe and heeling method. First insert glazing packers on the bottom corner of the hinge side, and then insert glazing packers on the top of the D handle side. Once the unit is square and the sash is parallel in the outer frame, refit the beads in the sash. Finally, move on to the master traffic door, repeating the process, inserting the glazing packers on the bottom corner of the hinge side, and then insert the glazing packers on the top of the handle side. Also insert packers on the top and bottom of the lock, fixing all packers with silicone to prevent movement.